So this exercise related to the states of the matter, the classified questions from topic 1. Z is a covalent substance. In an experiment, a sample of a pure solid Z was heated continuously for 11 minutes, and the graph how the temperature of a Z changes for the first 9 minutes is shown. What is the melting point of Z? What's the melting point of this Z? You can annotate on the screen. So we have a solid, and here what will happen? A solid will turn into a liquid, and then we'll have a liquid. So temperature at which a solid is turning into a liquid, that's a melting point. So that is 80 here. A sample of a pure Z begins to boil at 9 minutes and it was boiled for 2 minutes. Use this information, sketch on the grid how the temperature of a sample Z changes between 9 minutes and 11 minutes. And then the sample Z was heated for between 2 minutes for. So we have to complete a graph from 9 minutes to 11 minutes. It is. So it will be a straight horizontal line from 9 minutes to 11 minutes. And then the line will be straight because like it was boiling for 2 minutes. So whenever a substance, there's a change in state, there is no change in temperature. So it does not change the temperature. A sample of a pure Z was heated between 2 minutes and 5 minutes. As you can see, from 2 to 5 minutes, it was melting. Explain in terms of attractive forces why there was no increase in temperature between 2 minutes and 5 minutes. And it's of 2 marks. That's good because the heat is supplied. The heat was used to overcome the attractive forces or break the bonds between the particles in a solid. That's why. Describe how the motion of the particle of pure Z changes from 0 minutes to 2 minutes. From 0 to 2 minutes, the temperature is increasing. How the motion will change? And it's of 2 marks. So what are the points you will include? The particles move further apart, yes, increase, and they will move faster. They will move faster as the kinetic energy increases, and they will move further from each other as the substance will expand on heating. Experiment was repeated using a solid sample of impure Z. Suggests the difference, if any, on the melting and the boiling point compared to pure. So what happened to the melting point if a substance is impure? The melting point will decrease. When what happened to the boiling point? The boiling point will increase. And remember one thing, the range will also increase. Whenever a substance is impure, the range at which it melt or the range at which it boil, that temperature range will also increases. A sample of a pure Z was allowed to cool from 120 to 20 for time taken was 8 minutes. Starting from point X, sketch on the grid how uh, the temperature of a sample Z changes between 0 to 8 minutes. And keep in mind that sorry, it has a freezing point or a melting point of 80. And we are cooling it from 120 to 20. So first what will happen? As it is cooled down, the temperature will decrease. This is a cooling curve. And the total time taken was 8 minutes. And that is a sample is a pure. So first the temperature will decrease to 80. and then it will be constant, and then it further decreases to 20. Is it clear? As you can see here, decrease from 120 to 80, the horizontal line at 80, and decrease from horizontal to, and it will finish at 8. Yeah, random time periods, because they did not specify. As they did not specify, you can you just have to show this. No specific time interval. Just the marks are, once you reach 80, it should be a constant, and from 80 to 80 to 20 till 8 minutes. That's what you have to show. For how long it is freezing, that is not important. That's not given in the, no information about that. So this was topic 1, page 1, 2, and 3.